I ordered some stuff off Dior because they have just released some new items. This is, I think, a part of their holiday collection for 2022, and I got them and I was like, you know what, I'm going to do a video and get it out here as soon as possible, so stay tuned for that. This is a box. So it's packaged pretty nicely. So I'm going to start off with number one. I love Dior packaging. It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so comes like this. This is the first one, the Dior Beauty set. I love the packaging. Are you ready? Guys, it's a cosmetic pouch. It's got the Christian Dior logo. It is a blue velvet color. How stunning. And if you guys have seen my previous video where I turned a Gucci cosmetic case into a bag, I'm going to do the same things. I actually found some rings to put on this, so I'm going to convert this into a bag, and we have got our own little Dior bag in a very nice, very luxury blue velvet feel. This one's got a little Miss Dior perfume. Dream Skin Care and Perfect. I think that's a cream. It has a full size lip glow. Then it also has a lip maximizer. Okay, so the next box we have is this one. I got two more. And this is the Dior Volume and Curl set. So this is another great gift idea. So again, we've got the same pouch. It's got two zippers at the top, which I am loving. So this is inside the bag. It's got that waterproof lining on the inside. The waterproof lining on the inside, and then you get the two mascaras. So I might do it on another day, like on my Instagram or something. So sorry, I keep looking at my phone, like the viewfinder, because like I just can't help it. I have to look at myself, so I'm really sorry. But I will do a what fits inside a little bit later. We're gonna open this one. Oh my god, please, can you just focus on me for 1 second? Are you ready? Are you ready? So this is the Dior Capture Total. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh my god, of course the white doesn't show. I can make myself darker, that's fine. It's white, it's snow white. Like, you know this, if this doesn't get dirty by the end of this video, I'm gonna be a freaking miracle maker. But I wanted the white one. There was 2 packs for the white one. Pretty sure I got the cheaper one. I think it's cheaper by a couple of dollars. I can't 100% remember, but I got the cheaper one because the white one has skincare inside. Okay, so this is the Firming Wrinkle Correcting Eye Cream. We've got a teeny tiny boopity boo 5 mils of the eye cream. Then we have got the Super Potent Serum in 10 mils. And then we've got like a full-sized, what is this, cream? I don't want to open this. I just want to smell it. Well, so it's got a cream. We'll try it. I'm gonna get the stuff that can convert this into a crossbody bag. I'm gonna show you how to convert it. And I'm also going to show you what fits inside, so just stay tuned. So I've just been carrying this. This is a Dior. I got this as a free gift a couple of, maybe last year or the year before, when, I don't know, they had an offer on their website, and yeah, so I got a free gift. I'm just going to show you real quickly. I got this attachment from KD Australia. Wow, this lighting is amazing. I got this attachment from KD Australia, and I got this again, I think last year or the year before. No, I think it was the year before. So I don't know if she has it, but this is a Toiletry 15 attachment. Them in, we'll take the phone out. So they fit perfectly fine in there. We've got that in there. I could, if I wanted to, I could add the phone, my actual phone. This is from Glasshouse. It smells divine. It doesn't say the fragrance name. Doesn't say the fragrance name. I think it was the pink one, but this one, I can put it in my KD insert. It fits perfectly. And sanitizer might not fit. You might get like a little small sanitizer to fit, but that's a lot of stuff. And it zips up, and that's got my phone case in there that's pretending to be my phone. So it might not fit a Pro Max with the other stuff. Or if you are going to put the Pro Max and your keys and your cards in there, you might not be able to fit an insert. Okay guys, so to convert this into a crossbody, you will need to buy the following items, which can be found on eBay. I will link them below. So these, I don't know what they're called, these thingies, but they make holes. But they come in with 20 of these, and they're all little different sizes. So like this one makes a big hole. This one will make a bigger one. This one will make tiny ones. You will also need a hammer to hammer this in. And you also need to buy the main thing, which is these. I also bought these off eBay, and I so far have only found this from one seller, and she is in America. So it did cost a little bit of money, like not a lot, like not like 50 to 100 bucks or anything like that, but it was like a bit expensive. So this is it. It's a little thingy like that, and it's got that part, and it comes with a screw. So size your hole puncher up to this. You don't want it bigger, because if you do it bigger, it's going to be bigger than the circle, and it's just going to fly through the bag. And you don't want it too small, because it's going to pinch the bag then, and you might rip it if you're trying to push it out. So you just grab these. You need one of the ones with the points, because they're the ones that will be the perfect size for this. And you match it up. See how it's like the perfect size? Okay, that means that this one is the right one. Now, you need to do this on a surface that if you kind of press this into it and it dents the surface, you're not going to worry. So you need to do it on that type of surface. And all you have to do is grab this one. You're going to mark under here. You don't want it too close to that, because inside the zipper attachments will still, you don't want to touch the zipper attachments. So you want to go just a little bit lower. Make sure that you even them out, or else you're going to have one high, one low. So make sure they're at the even space. And then you're going to grab this, put it onto your thing, and where you've lined it up, get a hammer and smack that on a flat, strong surface. Once you smack that, it's going to grab the material and put it in here. And then you'll have your hole. Grab this part, the screw part of the gold thing. You're going to push it through your hole, like so. And then you're going to grab this part and screw it in. And you might need a screwdriver. Yes, you're going to need a screwdriver, and then just screw it in. Get your husbands to help you, ladies. It's not that hard, trust me. Screw it in, and you will end up with 2 hooks. And it'll look something like this. This is one of their lipstick palettes that they had released around Valentine's Day. So it looks like that. It's such a beautiful color. It's such a beautiful material. And what I ended up doing with this one was putting those D hooks on. Now, gold chains you can buy from absolutely anywhere. I have bought mine from KD Australia. So all these chains have 2 hooks on them, as you can see. And all you need to do is put one on this side and one on this side, and you've got yourself a bag. How cool is that? And you can always just play with the design if you wanted to. So if you wanted to feed it through, you could feed it through and have it come through here. So you can have it like that and have it chain through there so that you can make it shorter if you wanted to. Like so. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're in Australia and you want to see unboxings of kind of the smaller items that we have here, I'm just gonna be honest with you, I don't think you'll ever see a bag unboxing from a luxury brand on this page unless it's like a smaller luxury brand. But like, you know, all these little things I love collecting, I love buying. So yeah, again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.